With Google Cloud, the CI/CD stack is powered by Cloud Build. One of the main components of Cloud Build is Cloud Builders. So let's take a look at these. What are Cloud Builders? These are cloud configuration or provisioning actions that are packaged as Docker containers. Now there's many Cloud Builder actions. Some very common actions are building a Docker image from a Docker file, pushing a Docker image into Google Cloud Registry, deploying a VM instance on Compute Engine, or uploading a Kubeflow pipeline to AI platform pipelines. Now there's two types of Cloud Builders, standard builders and custom builders. Standard builders are already packaged configuration actions that are really common, such as building a Docker container and pushing that Docker container to a registry. All these prepackaged configuration actions are in the Google Cloud Platform / Cloud Builders repository. These are available for you to use. Custom Cloud Builders are special configuration actions that you have to package into Docker containers yourself. Generally, these are pushed to your own Google Cloud Registry. Let's take a closer look at the standard Cloud Builders. Here are some of the common standard Cloud Builders. Docker is used to build and push containers, while gcloud is used to perform various configuration actions on Google Cloud. Here we can see an exhaustive list of all the configuration actions. We have Docker, Git, GKE deploy, kubectl, etc. I encourage you to take a look at this repo and see all the prepackaged configuration actions that are available to you. Now, if we examine how the standard Cloud Builders are actually implemented, we see they boil down to two parts. One, a script that executes the configuration actions, and two, a Docker container that wraps the script with all the dependencies that it needs to be executed. Here's the Docker file. It simply provisions the OS with what's needed to run the notice.sh script and an entry point that launches the script. The script simply invokes the Docker command and passes it all the arguments that were passed when the Docker container was executed. So what exactly is a custom Cloud Builder? With custom builders, you must write your own Docker file and configuration script. For example, here's a Docker file to provision a CPU deep learning container with the Kubeflow SDK. You might want to use a custom builder image for things like downloading source code or packages from external locations, using an external tool chain, or caching any necessary libraries. With custom builders, you need to push the container yourself into your own project container registry.